Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to permanently delete your Facebook account in a few simple steps. First, open your Facebook app, then click on three-line menu, then tap on settings icon, then tap on account center. Then tap on personal details. Then click on account ownership and control. Then click on deactivation or deletion. Then select your Facebook account. Then select your delete account, then tap on continue. Then click on continue. Then select your issue. Then click on continue. Then click on again continue. Scroll down and click on continue. Finally, enter your password and confirm. Then click on delete account, and that's it, your Facebook account delete. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.